All right, y'all. I am going to vlog what I eat trying to be a gluten-free girly. Ah! I don't think it's a good time because I've been falling off the boat. But you know, we're just gonna keep it a stack. So we're gonna start. Spaghetti for breakfast. Today is Monday, it's Memorial Day. We're going to be barbecuing and I'm just in a great mood because I woke up and found out your girl is officially a YouTube partner. That means I'm being paid for you watching this right now.
Number one was that get the money first. Okay. Rule number two, don't forget to get the money.
Yay! Okay. Yeah. Let's make this a spaghetti. I decided I want to make a sangria. I never made one before, so I'm literally just using what I have at home. Kim Crawford, my favorite Sauvignon Blanc. The only thing I don't have is bubbly. We're gonna use this strawberry mango sparkling water as our bubbly. Splash of lemon juice. I wish I had some fruit. That was way more than a splash. At the family reunion, who we introduce it. Voila! Don't mind if I do. Literally not mad at all. Not mad one little bit. Okay, so here are the main ingredients of my spaghetti. Turkey sausage. My fridge keeps freezing all my veggies, like literally frozen. Mushrooms, onion, tomato, green pepper, minced garlic, heavy whipping cream. All right, okay, let's start by cooking the meat.
More money than they got. You might be up 5 million, but you done lost 15 million in the process of people running off and bullshit happening. So you're like, no, I can't quit because I could be up a dub right now, you know? And that's how people wind up getting fucked, not being greedy, honestly. But besides that, like anybody that would happen to would have did the same thing because it's like after everything he had to do to get that money, how many people they had to kill, how much bullshit he had to go through, how many seasons, who wants to start and do all that?
Okay, my bad. I was on the phone with my homeboy who recently just got locked up and we were talking about the show Snowfall. 10 out of 10 recommend. It was a great show. But anyways, yeah, so this is my turkey sausage. If you can see, it's really just like white and look flavorless. So I did like kind of season it, but I'm about to like go in with the seasonings and I'm gonna add, it might be crazy, but like one of these, the Caldo de Pollo. And then I added the onions and the green pepper because it's okay for them to cook for a while, whereas like the mushrooms and the tomatoes, like you don't want them to cook for too long. I also put in the noodles. These are just some gluten-free noodles from Trader Joe's. So yeah, I'm gonna try to season this up, and then once the noodles are like making progress, I'll add the mushrooms and the tomatoes, and then add the sauce and start like perfecting that. Okay, so I added some heavy whipping cream. Now I'm just gonna add this red sauce, just a regular red sauce. And also I like seasoned it, if you can see. Basil, adobo, some red chili. I used some of this. I'm adding this vegan butter by Trader Joe's into the pasta. And then now I'm just going to perfect the sauce by seasoning and balancing out like the heavy whipping cream. I'm also gonna add some Parmesan and like a couple other cheeses. We are watching the Mr. Beast documentary and going to clean up. There's a giant mess and my whole house in general. Hello. It's now 5:19, obviously clean, shower, got ready, And what? Get the down! This New York strip from Trader Joe's. So I'm just making like a marinade for it. So I melted some butter. I'm gonna put some cilantro. I'm gonna put some garlic. Cilantro and garlic. A little bit of seasoning and then put it on there. I'm gonna use this Grill Masters because it has a good blend of the stuff I would normally use. This is my marinade, nothing crazy. Watch you out. Yeah. Basically, you get the point.
I'm dealing with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really don't.
Okay, so today for breakfast, I made these gluten-free pancakes. I did not do any measurements, but I'm gonna tell you what I put in them. So I cut up some strawberries and blueberries. I used one of these cage-free eggs. I used this Trader Joe's oats and seeds non-dairy beverage. I put some brown sugar. And I also, for a little razzle-dazzle, added some vanilla. And then also like a hint of this. I'm crazy, I know. So yeah, that's what's happening. Pancake, and then I have a turkey sausage over here, and I'm gonna do some eggs. So I'll show you guys once it's like more done.
Yeah, see, it's like when you go to a movie and you get your popcorn and you sit down before the movie starts. What do they show you? Preview. They show you preview of what? A coming attraction. Have you ever seen a preview and then the movie ain't come out? No, bro. Once you see the preview, it's finna be a movie.